Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and log out from your Gmail account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and it's without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter what you're gonna do, first of all, simply go ahead and access your Gmail from your mobile phone. So yeah, we'll simply access our Gmail, and once you have done so, you can see in this home section of your Gmail you can find all of the inbox and that you have received mails over here. So if you simply want to remove your account or sign out of it, you're gonna go ahead, tap on this profile icon that will be on top right corner of your mobile screen. Once you have done so, it will show all of your Google accounts as well. So you can say I only have one, but in case you do have multiple accounts, go ahead, choose that particular account, get logged in, sign in with that account first, and again tap on your account, get this kind of info box, and then tap on this option called manage account on this device below. And now this will show you this kind of interface, your auto sync data and stuff. Simply go ahead, turn this off first if you would like to sign out, and then tap on your profile that will be given on top. And now tap on this remove account option. Make sure to go to sync account and simply turn all of this off, and tap on this remove account option. Tap on this remove account as a confirmation, and then you will be able to remove your account or get signed out of it in your Gmail, simply like that. So this is the way, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.